So today I'm going to explain the concept of next greater element, and we are going to walk through it step by step actually. So here's the step that we would be given two arrays actually. One would, let's say, call them nums1 and nums2 here, and nums1 is a subset of nums2. Nums1 is a subset of nums2, which means that nums1, all the characters which would be in nums1, they would be in nums2, definitely they would be in the nums2. This is what the subset of the nums1 is a subset of the nums2 here. Okay, so for that we need to find the next greater element for each element in nums1, but the position would be of nums2 because nums2 is the universal set for the nums1, and we want to find the next greater element for the nums1, but the position should be of the nums2. This is the rule actually in the nums2, and it should be, and we are going through the right position, that if there is an element in there here, let's say 3 and here is 4, so this is the right one. So we need to find the right one, the next greater element in the array. So here we will make first the dictionary actually. It is like a for our cheat sheet, and for that cheat sheet it will tell us what the next greater number is for every number in nums2, and then we will make a stack. Stack is nothing, it is like the empty list, and in that empty list our numbers will wait for it, for their chance that there would be maybe other number greater than them. And it is the stack for us, it is like the waiting room for the numbers where they wait. Okay, so we will make a loop through the nums2 array, and we will go each number by one in nums2, where the condition of us would be the stack should not be empty, and the second condition would be that our current number, which would be number, and the previous number, which would be in the stack, which would be the next greater element in the stack. But for our current number, if our current number is greater than the previous one in the stack, then we will pop that number which was the previous one, and we will append that, and then we will update our current number into the stack. Which means what we did is that the previous number which was there in the stack, but now we have found the current number which is more greater than, which is our next greater number. So for the previous one we will pop it out, and we will append this current number to here. So we will just update the dictionary and also the stack. Now if it is like after the loop ends and there would be some of the numbers in which they will find that there were some numbers in which maybe the stack was empty, or maybe the number which we were trying to find out were not, then we will append it to the -1, which means that there were no next greater number for this particular element, and therefore we are assigning it as a -1. And this is what really we want to do. This is all we are doing in nums2 array. And here now we will make a result, and in this result we will use nums2 dictionary that we have made, and that using that we will found the nums1 next greater element using the dictionary which we have made using the nums2. And so for that reason we can really say that for us the nums2 is like the whole dictionary book that we have made. Using nums2 we have made the dictionary book, and now for the number nums2 array, when we want to find any answer, we are not really going through any other, and we are using that dictionary that we have made from the nums2. So we are finding the answer of nums1 using the dictionary of the nums2. Okay, this is what the whole concept was, and here I have written the whole code actually. I have written in my PC also.